Welcome to another month of stock investing, and I believe that August is usually the month that is a little bit weaker than other months, so it's very important to choose the right 3 stocks for your portfolio. And I looked into 3 stocks for you and will let you know in detail why those stocks are very undervalued and are a buy right now. So the very first stock that we will talk about here on this episode of 3 undervalued stocks to buy right now in August is actually a stock that is very much into the media. We are talking about Tesla, and as of this recording, we lost quite a bit on Thursday and Friday, and as the stock is already so high up, it's funny because it's actually, giving us the opportunity to buy much cheaper than below. Because if you think about it, if a stock goes higher and higher, 10% loss of 100 is much less than from $1,000. So as you can see here, as higher the stock goes, at faster rate they can go down as well. So just about when the numbers, Q2 numbers, which was fantastic, guys, okay, which was fantastic, which we will talk about also, came in, the stock lost since then 13%, and let's see how it will start this weekend overall. But as you can see, this stock lost quite a bit in numbers. It's about from 1,644 to about 1,415. So more than $200 the stock lost just about the last couple of days. And this is important to see that, the overall market did the same. Okay, this means that for Tesla, great news happened and the stock is on discount. Why not buy now? And I will tell you a little bit about more what I think. If you are looking into the stock of Tesla, you see a market cap of $262 billion. Now, if you are thinking about, okay, this is a very high price. Now, Tesla is for long time not a simple car company, guys, okay? Just let me introduce you to the various of businesses they are in. So first of all, they are manufacturing and scaling and growing super fast the electrification of automotive. Okay, this we know, they're the best. There's no other car company, even though they had the head start, even though they had billions and billions of dollars, they couldn't create this fleet and this good fleet as Tesla did. Okay, so this is number one. Second, Tesla is working to be the biggest energy company in the world, not only by the solar business, which will be huge, but also the solar plus power business will be immense. This means that Tesla will be part of bringing our power network to the 21st century. I mean, imagine, currently the power grid looks as follows. We generate the power, we send the power into the grid and we use it. But if we don't use it so much, then there's no power storage. This is a big mistake. This is something like you would have your iPhone the whole time at the charging station so you can use it. Very dumb, right? So exactly, this is the way where Tesla is going, and Elon Musk said it multiple times that energy business will be much bigger. Alone this quarter over quarter, we grew to more than 60%. Those numbers are crazy, guys, okay? Not only that, but also this business is profitable for Tesla already. So this is also a big part of the Tesla successful story. And then comes the next big thing. They not only will produce their own batteries for the cars and the energy business, they also are very strong in software. And not only they will have the self-driving cars where you can make so much things with it. I think, think about Uber and Lyft will be actually, not needed anymore when Tesla start their car service, the robotaxi service. Moreover, you will see that many Tesla owners will send their cars into the fleet. Why? Because they can make money on their cars, okay? They having an asset that is depreciating, but it will turn, what Elon Musk said in the earnings call, with just an over-the-air update, a tool to earn money, and therefore the value of the car itself will 5 times itself. And Elon Musk called it the biggest inflation of value for a depreciating asset. And this is, you know, just beautiful in my ears, and therefore you maybe should consider to load up some stocks of Tesla, because if just one of those will be successful, just one of those big businesses they are in already and are leading worldwide and having a fantastic team, then you have like a 1 out of 3 chances that the stock goes 10 times as high. And if, you know, the stock and the company does couple of those businesses right, I think we are looking into a multi-trillion-dollar company, guys. Before diving into the next stock, make sure to smash that like button. I mean, totally put it into internet dust, okay? Because so much work going into these videos. And I also appreciate it if you clicked already on the join button, because I have so much value for you to give if you just check out our membership, guys. This is something that no other YouTuber that is talking about stocks is offering. You know, a Discord channel with so many like-minded people. We are discussing stocks there on every single day basis. You know, we help each other, we talk about investing, we talking about mindset. You know, if you want to be a better investor, then you better join. And if you even want to have more of Wolf of Dubai, then there's also a tier, the biggest tier in my membership group, that you can have one-on-one with me. We can talk about stocks, we can talk about portfolios, we can talk about, you know, investing, mindset, everything what you want to know to become a better investor. So check it out, and let's talk about Virgin Galactic, because Virgin Galactic is one of my highest conviction trades right now. This company has an investment vehicle that I have seen very rarely. Okay, we are talking about the management team that is absolutely brilliant. Okay, we having very experienced CEO for the perfect experience that they are building, the biggest and best ever made on this earth, guys. Well, you know, literally you go off earth, but you know, it's the best experience that you can buy for money, and there's thousands of people that want to have this experience. Then we have some upcoming events. We have this cabin reveal that I will stream here on this channel tonight, so stay tuned. Then we will talk about, we are having a product that everybody who use this product will talk about it, and we are talking about celebrities with millions and millions of followers. So this will be like a fire through the whole Instagram and social media world, that everybody will know what is Virgin Galactic, what is this product. You know, everybody would love to do it if, you know, Justin Bieber, you know, Rihanna, whatever, whoever want to do this experience. I think there's so much people that will know about it, and this is an important attribute. If people know the company, the product, and also then the stock, you have more and more people interested into the stock, and obviously, you know, this will help to grow the stock. And the current levels are very attractive. I believe that the stock can double, you know, or triple in the next couple of weeks, you know, if it's not getting more than, you know, at least the levels that we are now. I offered my friends and, you know, a couple of family members that I talked about it, you know, I offered them, if Virgin Galactic, if you invested in August, will not be more end of the year, I will pay you back your money. I know, guys, you have been missing the Beyond Meat Mondays. You know, this nice intro, the news about Beyond Meat. It's not about that I'm not interested or not invested in Beyond Meat anymore. I love this company, guys. Just think about it. I'm super excited for the Q2 earnings because this will show us how the company can grow, and it's all about growth for Beyond Meat. I mean, they have so much to sell that they need to figure out how to cater the demand rather than how to sell more, guys. This is a very nice problem to have as a company, and with every company that is out there having this problem, it's pretty hard to make things wrong, guys, okay? And therefore, you know, though they have a very great management team and they have a brand, and I think with this kind of product, it's important to have a brand. I mean, think about if you're looking into your general food consumptions. You usually, if it comes to meat, don't talk about brands, but think about if you are eating your cereals, then the brand is very important, right? You look into Kellogg's, for example. You know, Kellogg's stands for quality. You like Kellogg's, it has a lot of variety and so on. And I think if Beyond Meat can establish this brand feeling of, you know, I have something really, really great, plus you have this 4 or 5 dimensions, which is, you know, great taste, great price, great company, great marketing, you know, all of this few dimensions that all work together, then you can have a very, very interesting stock. And as we have seen just in 2019, when the stock came on the stock market, you have seen that people were willing to purchase Beyond Meat for more than $200 per share, guys. And I think we will come to this point not long time to go, because I think that the Q2 earnings could be very surprising. And if something is surprising positively, then the stock goes up. There's no question about it. And I believe that this not telling a guidance for Q2 and surprising with a great earnings could be ballistic, parabolic for the stock, and the stock can go up 10-15% after the earnings call. But let's have a look into the chart and the stock of Beyond Meat. And here we go. As you can see, you have a stock that is pretty much, you know, where it was just a month ago, okay? So we were about the beginning of July at the same levels as we are approximately now, with the stock gaining about 15% during that time, you know, and also falling a little bit of, you know, 12-13%. So as you can see, the overall volatility in the stocks is still there, and this is totally normal with growth stocks, okay? What I find interesting is that, you know, you had a fantastic opportunity that I think just very, very less people got into the stock when it was, you know, at 50. I got in around at, you know, 85-ish, which is, I think, a very good price considering now. And, you know, the stock could touch 160 approximately. You know, there seems to be a resistance for now, but I think overall we can go back to these levels that we had back in end of July 2019. I think it's just a matter of, you know, bringing the results, showing some growth. This is so important, guys. And then you will see that the market cap is not 7.78 billion, but this can easily become a 50-80 billion dollar company. So 10x from here without any problem, guys. I think that nowadays to become a 50 or 80 billion dollar company is much easier than years ago, and therefore I believe that Beyond Meat is a great buy in August 2020.